Okay, so let's start this video. This is a very important video for even me, and I'm pretty sure it's for other people's too, because we have always this thought that how much will we gain, how much we will earn from our YouTube channels if we spend enough time, enough hours. Well, guilty as charged, I have not spent as much hours or time I would wish myself to do. Now see, you are spending your time, first of all you are spending your energy, you are spending your money, and so you always wonder, like just me, that will I even break off even, or whatever be the reason of your channel. It might be for a business purpose, it might be for just a hobby, that okay, I'm a photographer, I'm a videographer, I like to travel, I like to do stuff, whatever be the reason, cooking. Let's create it out a channel, let's show something, let's put it out for other world people to watch. Well, whatever be the reason, this thought is always in your mind, how much will I earn? I got what I did, and I'm pretty sure you will get too, and if you do better, you will get even more than what I did, because I know what I did. So with that in mind, let's start this video, and I will tell you, based on each category of videos, I will pick one of my best performing videos in almost every category which I have created so far on my channel, and then I will try to show you how much I have made based on each of those videos. With that in mind, a little sip, and then this is a long video, so we'll continue. Okay, so if I go to my channel, currently I can see that I have 1.91 subscribers. Like, I have crossed 1900 limit. I will touch 2K. This is, on the lowest side, I would say, possible on YouTube, because it's almost 3 years for this channel. Next month I will complete 3 years, and first of all, I have completed 1 year in July itself, from the first day of monetization. So yes, I got monetized last year in July, and just in this month, July, I completed my 1 year of monetization. So whatever I have earned so far in this complete year, I will let you know at the end of the video, based on what I can buy from that money. Not exactly the money, I'll say you pretty straightforward in the very beginning, and that will be pretty accurate, by the way, so don't worry. Now, even if it's a big channel or it's a small channel, it doesn't matter. There are expenses occurred. Number one expense will be the expense of time. Number two will be of your camera gear. Number three will be your editing softwares. Number four, the things on which you will actually edit those things. And number five, well, music. One of the things which I would say, music, audio, whatever you wanna call that. So these things do take your time, money. And this doesn't mean that you cannot create a good content from your mobile phone. But since I'm more of an enthusiast, I do like to create from the good enough things possible, if not from the best. And I do love to surround myself with a lot of gadgets. Everybody know that. Now see, if I'm scrolling my videos down, you can see that the views are not inspiring. They are like 50, 100, 120, some places even 7,000, but not something exceptional. Okay, so I will call this video as one of my good performing videos, again because I dropped it at a point when Windows 11 was about to launch, so I got some good traction in the early stages. But now this is more of a flat. But then again, in 6K views, I got close to 3.68, which is like 0.55 RPM. Not too great, right? But yeah, it is what it is, right? So this is the next video which I want to talk about. This is in the tech review, appliances, bigger appliances. I got 5K views. Again, this is one of my best performing videos, I would say, and I got close to $2.19 only, which is again not very inspiring, but this is what I got. This video, by the way, was in Hindi. Most of my other videos are in English only. And guys, if you're liking it so far, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm at 1900 subscribers. This is July, the second week of July 2021. Let's see when you are watching this video where I am. So this is like a milestone. Okay, so the third video which I would like to talk to you about is tech review in terms of websites. So bajao.com, we all know what it is if you are somewhere in India. Now this video got me about 2K views so far, and I got 0.7. Again, it is something about 0.35 per 1,000 views. So again, this was in English, and this is the revenue. Now in the same segment, tech review for websites, this is another video which is about Tata Click, and I got 2.7K, yani 2,700 views. and I got just 0.64, which is less than what I got for bajao.com. So that is the point to prove that it is variable for every videos, but you can see the consistency is almost equivalent. It is less than dollar for both of them. Let's move further. Okay, so this video was in Hindi, and I would say this is one of the best videos which gets me the most views, and it got me around 15K views, and in that it gave me revenue of 4.65, meaning under $5. So something averages around to 0.33 per 1,000 views. Again, not very inspiring, but it gained me in other terms, which is number of subscribers. This video got me 92 subscribers, and again, this is one of my high, videos which give me one of the highest views, I would say. Only 3-4 videos would have touched across this 15K level. So I'm quite happy with this video. And again, I spent a lot of efforts on this video because I shot it multiple times at multiple places to get the speed comparison. Earlier it got some quite traction, but now we can see that it has reduced its curve of viewership. Nonetheless, this is a good video and I'm quite happy with that. Okay, so the next video is in the segment of tech review. So this video got me 7.2K views and close to $2.4 only, which is again very less comparing per 1,000 views. But it performed good in terms of subscribers. People liked the content, even though if it was not earning me well, it gave me one of the best subscribers that a video would fetch for me for this channel. So quite happy with that. Doesn't matter, money was very less. Now, since I told earlier I like to travel and create some vlogs too, so this is one of my travel video. And recently, I mean, like around, you can see in the month of March, it suddenly started gaining some traction, and by the end of March, for first few months it was mostly dormant, but now it suddenly started gaining some traction because COVID lockdown restrictions were little bit lift off, so people started moving. Now these days this video is gaining some traction because I'm pretty sure people are traveling in the month of, you can say, July. And I got 12,000 views, almost 12,000 views, and you can see 9.7K more than usual, meaning most of my videos are under 2,000 views only. I don't know, I'm roasting myself, I feel like that. But yeah, this video got me $3.46 for overall 12,000 views. So again, around $0.3 per 1,000 views, which is the RPM for this video. Again, not the best, but this is what this travel video has given me. In terms of subscriber, this is where this video shined, because this gave me a lot more subscribers than my other videos gave me. And you might have noticed a pattern that my channel has 1,900 subscribers, but there are around 5-6 videos which has given me 55, 60 or 70, 80 subscribers. Meaning there are certain videos which have given me quite a lot of subscribers, even though none of them have given me money as much as I would like. And this $3.5 is what, 250 rupees at max. But in terms of how much it helped people, I'm happy with this video, and I'm pretty sure people are too, based on the engagement I have seen from audience. The next video is tech camera gear review. Again, this video is one of my best video, I would say, which has given me the maximum amount of money in terms of views. So with just 5.8K views, which is again 4.6K, I mean, YouTube is trying to roast me. With 6,000 views, it gave me $8.24. So this is like 1.2, 1.3 per 1,000 views, dollars per 1,000 views RPM, which is good. Now this video has got more revenue, it has generated more revenue because it got viewed in many other parts of the world too. And I have seen a trend that if the videos are getting viewed in India only, the RPM is quite less, meaning the terms of money generated per 1,000 views, it is comparatively less than if it's watched in other US and other countries, which I mean all people know. But since this channel is mostly based on Indian things, so revenue is mostly less. But this product, Kodak NT filter, which is a common accessory anybody can buy for the cameras, this has been viewed at other places, and so the RPM was overall up. Now coming to the point I was talking about, I spend in music. So I will show you which music website I use. This is the music bed. Their sound qualities, their tracks are literally amazing, but I think many people don't subscribe for these because their plans are super expensive. My channel has a very limited number of subscriber base, so I pay for the personal plan, as you can see right now. But because the limit is less than 50k, you are eligible for personal. But if you are anywhere above that 50k limit, you have to pay 99, meaning $100 almost per month. That is a huge money. In a year you will pay almost $1,000 if you pay at once, which is too expensive. So there are other websites which I will probably choose. Since I do photography and videography, both the things, I like both the things, and so I have taken the Creative Cloud plan from Adobe. Now there are a bunch of 15-16 apps like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Lightroom, and apps for creative people like Fresco for coloring, brushing, things like that, and tons of other like Dreamweaver and all. But I usually use 4-5 apps at max. I would think of using other apps too. I use one app, Adobe Spark, for creating thumbnails, so another addition to that app, and I pay just one amount, but that's a big amount. So if you want each app, you can pay like 800 per month, or Premiere Pro around 1600-1700 per month, which is Indian rupees, by the way. But if you want all apps, this is the plan which I am currently for all the apps, which is 4200 per month. It constitutes to about 50,000 about approx in 1 year, and you have to pay that for the rest of your life, and this is like $60 per month. You can always go for students and teachers, which is comparatively cheaper, but still 1600-1700 rupees per month will constitute a lot money, around 19,000-20,000 too. So not cheap, okay, not cheap. So if you see, the music and the editing apps alone cost a lot, I would say. Now the question of the hour, how much have I earned? So I will tell you what I can buy from the total amount that I have earned after deducting the taxes in this 1 year. Well, I have opened that product in Amazon, and this is Redmi Note 10 4GB 64GB variant. Yes, after deducting all the taxes, this is the only product I can buy, and I'm running out of money. Even this is a bit of a stretch after deducting taxes. So you get the point that how much I have made so far in this YouTube journey. And now you can understand that this whole thing for me has been so far more of a hobby than just money earning. I mean, I want to earn money. I buy all the gears, products, cameras, gadgets, whatever from my own money, and I wish that there was a way that companies are sponsoring, but so far it is not, and it's all right. I mean, as long as it's working, I will continue with that trend. So you get the point that so far it has not been about the money, and I still try to help as much as possible on the channel by replying to almost all the comments, and at least for the comments for which I know the answer to. This is not to discourage you, but to encourage you. You don't need all these expenses. You can just buy a mobile phone, a good 800-900 rupees in India, or around $15 of microphone, the wired microphone. Boya is a best choice with people do. I also started with that. I still have that too. And just a tripod stand. Use natural sunlight, and if your content is good, you will get views, you will get subscribers. Now in 3 years, I have just got 1900 subscribers, which is really not aspiring. But I would suggest that if you want to do that, and if you are persistent on that, you will definitely gain those subscribers, those views for sure. Just don't get discouraged. A mobile phone, a microphone, and a tripod stand is good enough. I gather myself with all these things because I just am an enthusiast, nothing else, no other reason for that. But even I hope to grow if things go well. So that's all in this video. If you have any questions, please let them know in the comment section. With that in mind, please don't forget to subscribe if you loved it. Bye guys.